Hello everyone, welcome back to the CodeIsha Training Center. In the 30 day series of the Salesforce Future, today we're gonna learn about the page layout in our Salesforce. Okay, so let's know about this page layout feature in our Salesforce org and why we use that page layout and how we can use that page layout and what is the navigation to change the page layout inside that fields, sections, or any buttons or custom buttons or related tabs. Okay, so these are all we need to how we can change as per our business requirements with help of the page layout. Okay, so let's get into these slides. Today agenda we're gonna learn about the what is page layout and why we use page layouts and why and also components of the page layout. Okay, and how page layouts work with the profiles. Okay, and we're gonna create one simple demo and customize it page layout, taking one specific object, whether it is standard, whether it is custom object. Okay, and we also know about the best practices and summary. Okay, so let's get into the main slides. What is page layout, right? A page layout determines the layout and organization of fields, buttons, related lists, and sections on objects record page. Okay, so it helps the administrators design a user-friendly interface for different users. Okay, so different users, nothing but sales users, sales support team separate, and the market team separate, right? And the uh, support team separate, right? So these three related profiles we have to change the based on the profiles we're gonna add the user friendly fields. Okay, whether it is when we are taking the sales, so for sales only specific fields we're gonna add. Okay, so once we're gonna add those specific fields, we're gonna assign the specific profile, whether it is sales, whether it is service, whether it is marketing. Okay, so we're gonna change with the help of the page layout. Okay, for the user friendly interface. Okay, and here the key purpose. Okay, why use these page layout? Okay, control the field visibility. Okay, and arrange the fields logically and customize our user experience. Okay, for that we're gonna use this page layout feature. Okay, and why page layouts are important in our Salesforce org. Okay, so let's see. Page layouts helps us improve user productivity and display only relevant information and relevant fields and relevant buttons, relevant custom buttons. Okay, so for that we're gonna use these page layout. Okay, and organize records in clear and structured way. Okay, and customize UI based on different business roles. Okay, as of now, just now, we are tell, right? So like sales, marketing, and support. Okay, so based on that roles or based on that profiles, we're gonna customize our user experience with the help of the page layout. Okay, and reduce data entry errors. Okay, so these are all for us. We gonna use page layout, and page layout is important. Okay, and here the components of page layout. So page layout can include the sales fields, sales fields including standard and custom fields. Okay, and sections, custom links, standard buttons, custom buttons, and related lists and visual for pages also. Okay, and we're gonna add the quick actions. Okay, these are all we're gonna do the with the help of the page layout. Okay, and these elements help design an efficient record page. Okay, like user friendly. Okay, and it looks like very beautiful when we add these are all as per our requirement, and we don't need to the unnecessary fields, unnecessary tab, unnecessary sections, and unnecessary buttons. Okay, so without adding those unnecessary, we're gonna add only necessary whatever our business requirement and whatever profiles based on profiles. Okay, so here the page layout assignment. Okay, so once you will create that page layout, okay, so we're gonna assign that page layout for which profile. Okay, so like Salesforce allows the assigning the different page layouts based on profiles and record types. Okay, so this enables different users to see different layouts for same object. Okay, like for example, okay, we're gonna explanation take in the next slide. Okay, so example, see here, sales team sees the only sales fields. Okay, and support team only sees the support fields. Okay, so this simple example we're gonna explain next slide. Let's see. So see here the explanation. For example, we have the sales team in our org. Okay, so that sales team only watch or edit or any view that particular fields. Okay, that sales team have access only read or edit access for the name and email address. Okay, and contact and the product. Okay, so these sales team, they don't have access for the fields like case reason, solutions, and the annual revenue. Okay, and any marketing related fields, they don't access, and they don't read, and they don't edit, and they don't delete. Okay, this for specific sales tip. Further, we're gonna use the page layout prevent the those fields. Okay, for customize the for this only sales team. Okay, and here the service team. Okay, so see, these service team only access have the like a read or edit or delete any other. So they have only name and the email address and the contact and related the service team fields. Okay, like say a case and case reason and solution. Okay, but these service team, they don't have access like the annual revenue and the product revenue. Okay, and like in that product revenue like GSTs, discount, they don't need these are all things. They only access for case, case reason, solution. Okay, these fields mainly they need access for to do these are all things with the help of the page layout. Okay, and see how it works page layout in our Salesforce org. Okay, so our steps involve create or edit a page layout. Okay, and customize sections and the related fields whatever we need as per our business requirements. Okay, and add buttons, sections, and related lists. Okay, and assign that layout to the profiles. Okay, like sales profile or service profile. Okay, and the marketing profile or any other profiles in there in your organizations. Based on that profiles, you need to assign that layout. Okay, and user sees the layout when viewing the records. Okay, so this is the steps to work page layout. Okay, and see here the demo steps for create the one custom page layout. Or as now we have already provided this that Salesforce default some page layouts. Okay, so in that page layouts we're gonna remove the some fields, and we're gonna add the some fields on that UI base. Okay, let's see how we're gonna add that with the step by step navigation. Okay, so first of all, we need to go to the setup menu. Okay, in that we need to search for object manager. Okay, and select the object, whether it is standard, whether it is custom object, as per your requirement. Okay, so I am, as of now, I am taking the, for example, account only. Okay, so click on the page layouts, left side the panel. Okay, and edit and exiting the layout. Okay, and drag and drop fields or sections as per our requirement, business requirements, and save that layout and preview the changes on your record, and assign it whatever profiles or whatever record types see that page layout. Okay, so let's see, before moving to the best practices, now we need to create one demo page layout. Okay, so let's click on the gear icon. So open the setup menu. So inside setup menu, see here we have the tab is there, home tab and the object manager tab, right? So click on that object manager, and search for as per your requirement object. Okay, as of now I'm choosing the account object. So inside that, see here left side panel, we have the number of related features is there. So click on the page layouts. Okay, see here already we have the four types of the page layouts. Okay, so now I'm going with the account layout. Okay, so because of it is now active this layout. So in this layout I am changing the some fields. Okay, so let's open it. So before going to the let's check accounts which type of fields is there. Okay, so see we have the website and the phone and the ownership and employees is there, right? So now as of now I'm removing the employees and the isc's sic code. Okay, I'm adding the here the facts. Okay, here don't have the facts field, so I'm adding that field. Okay, so removing the employees and the isc code. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do that. So now we need to open the page layouts, and inside that whatever you need layout we need to open that. So I'm going with the active layout. Okay, so inside that I am changing the as per our requirement. Okay, so coming to the here account information, this is the related fields. Okay, so see I'm remove just drag and drop it is. So let's remove it and also remove it. So I'm searching for the facts. Okay, I'm adding this facts field under the phone field, but it won't get. Okay, above the phone field. Okay, let's quick save and the save it. Okay, now it is changed, right? So now it is saved. So let's refresh it. So sometimes it takes some more time, but if you do the number of like one or two times refresh, then also you don't get that ui changes. So let's better to do it log out and log in again. Okay, so see here they added the, we are above the phone we added the facts, right? And here the we remove the employees and ASC code, but it won't changes, right? Let's again refresh it one more time. Let's check. If it is not work, let's log out and log in. That's it. Better that one. So same thing as of now also same thing done. So let's refresh it again. If it is not done, so better to go with the log out and log in again. Okay, so I'm log out these. So again I'm going with the logging this so let's open the sales. Okay, so inside the sales we're gonna find about the account tab. Okay, so click on it, and now we're gonna click on the new button. Let's see whether it is changes or not, those fields whatever we added and whatever we removed that. Click on the new. So same thing. mm, okay, let's try to directly open accounts. Okay, let's we're gonna change account. Let's open it. Inside the page layouts I'm changing inside the account sales layout. Okay, so let's see here changing that. So here we have the facts and the rating type, right? But we don't have here. Give a minute. Let's check. Same thing, but see, we don't. Let's check layout assignment whether it is have or not. So see here the sales team, we have the separate profile is there, and all of them have the page layout for different profiles. Okay, these are all the different profiles is there, and but it taking this some time to refresh it. We are done that. Yeah, so see, above the phone field we are added the facts, right? And also we are removed the here, one is the owner, sorry, one is the employee and one is the SIC code, right? So those fields are removed, right? And added the facts. Okay. So I think now it is work. So it will take some time to set up those fields and save it that page layout. Okay. So don't bother about it and don't panic when you created the correctly that page layout, and then but it won't changes in that UI page. Okay. It will take some time. So give it for them. Okay, they will work on the background, taking everything as soon as possible. Okay, so now let's see adding the one more thing in that page layout. Okay, so open the account layout. Okay, as of now we are done on that. In that account layout we are adding the one more thing. Okay, so I'm adding the here one more section is, so see here we have the key components, fields, buttons, custom links and quick links also there, right? So inside that I'm adding the, so here and the section is there, right? So I'm adding this section for the here. Okay, in this section I'm giving the contact information. Okay, for that. Okay, and here I am taking the two columns. Okay, and whatever it is you can choose these left, right or top to bottom. Okay, so as of now left, right I am choosing. And let's see here, zoom it when you won't you don't have the access to click on that possible. So let's zoom out. Okay, and click on this link. Okay, once it is done, so now we're gonna add in that specific contact information. I'm adding the phone tab. Okay, just drag and drop, and also fax. Okay, and also let's search if anything related that we're gonna add it. So as of now we don't have any, and here the account number is there. And okay, so everything okay. So in that section we are added the phone and the fax. Okay, so let's quick save it and the save. Let's see whether it is changed or not in that UI part. Okay, come back into the accounts tab. Let's refresh it. So it will take some time to set up that page layout, whatever we are changes in that page layout. Okay, so let's click on the new button. Still we don't change anything. So see here the address information section is there, additional information, description information, right? So we don't have any contact information, right? So let's see, again I'm trying to the log out this page, and again I'm logging my org. Okay, let's search for accounts. Click on it. So let's click on new button whether it is changes or not. Oops, we don't have any changes till now. So I think it will take some time to finish that work. So until we need to wait for some time. Okay, so so meanwhile we need to know about the best practices. Okay, So let's keep it that, and come back into the slides. Now we know about the best practices for using the, when we use the page layouts, better to choose these things. Okay, so keep layouts simple and clean. Okay, and group fields into logical sections and avoid placing too many fields. Okay, and show only important fields for users. Okay, so whatever whatever we need, that specific fields, we're gonna add that in page layout for the users. Without unnecessary fields, don't add into the page layout. Okay, and use different layouts for different roles. Okay, so as of now we are seeing that like account related and the, sorry, sales related, marketing related, and service related, right? So same like that, you need to uh, different you need to use the different roles as per like that and as per your business requirement. Okay, so don't go with the only one page layout, adding the every profile or every role or every users. Okay, so better to the create the different layouts. It will be easy and it will be user friendly, without any zigzag going that data. Okay, and going to the summary, let's check whether it is work or not, whether it is done or not. Let's refresh it and let's click on the new button. I think still no changes anything. I think it will take some time to do it. Still we don't change anything here. So I hope it will change. It will taking some time. Okay, so let's again refresh it. Hmm. So it will change as per like this, like adding the section contact information. So in that section, adding the whatever we are added the those two fields like fax and the phone, right? So it will add it like that. Okay, see here the two columns. If we choose one column, it will show only in this one column all record, all related fields. Okay, so let's again refresh it. Continue. Still it won't change anything in that page layout. So oops. So still it won't change anything. Okay, leave it. So let's try before closing this session. So today we are done the what page layouts are and why they are important, and components of a page layout, and page layout assignment also done. Okay, and demo of the customizing the layouts. Okay, and page layouts helps to create better user experience and organize record pages in Salesforce. Okay, so I hope everyone find this helpful video. Okay, so please like and subscribe for our YouTube channel. Okay, and share it with your friends, whoever the actively learning these Salesforce codes. Okay, so let's check one more time closing this session. Mm, still won't change anything, but we are done that all, but it's taking time. Let's recap and recheck it is changed, it is save or not. and go to the page layouts, and inside that account layout, okay, see we are added here contact information, right? So as of now everything okay. Let's take a review on that. Okay, I'm going with the whatever it is, but I'm going with the system administrator preview. Let's see here we have the contact information, right? Okay, inside contact information we have the phone and the fax. Okay, so I hope up to everything okay, right? Let's see, open the record and click on the details section. So see here we have updated like contact information. Okay, here we are updated, but coming to the UI part it will taking some time. Still it won't update it, but it will update it here. Okay, edit section and default section also there, but it will take some time. And here the console, even taking the sales user sales profile, let's click on that. Preview the edit view. So see here the contact information we are added the separate two things, right? Here the updated, but let's refresh preview. So same thing is there. So I think it will take some time to update here the when we click on the new. Okay, here also it will take some time to update that. So let's refresh it again last time. Still we don't have any changes, but it will take some time to change that. Okay, so I hope in edit page we are successfully done that. Adding the contact information section, in that section we are added the sorry, fax and the phone fields, right? So up to everything okay, right? We are done, right? So let's get back into the slides. So thank you everyone, thank you. So if you have any questions regarding this page layout topic or any other Salesforce related, okay, you can feel free to contact us or text to us. And if you have any questions also, you can comment below. I'll definitely reach out to you and explain the every your queries. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you.